Nag-a-accept ba ng walk-in applicants ang DFA? Walk-in ibig sabihin wala kang online appointment. Yes, nag-a-accept sila given isa ka sa mga ito. OFW. Kailangan mo mag-present ng proof na ikaw ay isang OFW, gaya na lang ng valid employment contract, authenticated by POEA dapat, an EDOLI card or work visa. A person with a disability. Dapat meron ka ding ID na issued ng government na ikaw isang PWD. A senior citizen. Of course, a valid senior citizen card. A solo parent with valid solo parent ID. Pregnant woman with valid medical certificate at minors 7 years old and below. Please follow us on our Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!